Let's just toss it over to Kelly Bayern, and we're seeing haze in more areas of the state from these wildfires.
Yeah, a lot of impacts now due to smoke from these wildfires. And I think our season really started early because our drought is so bad this year. And so I think our season to come won't be nice to us as we move into August and September. We'll likely still be dealing with a lot of wildfires across the state. But right now we do have air qualities in place down the valley out to Lane County. This does include Eugene. We could see some surface smoke and hazy conditions out there, mostly out towards the foothills of Lane County is where that dense smoke will sit today, dropping air quality to unhealthy levels due to the proximity of some of those local wildfires burning in the Cascades. Also out to the gorge, an air quality alert through the Dalles and eastward into Pendleton. Same for the Columbia Basin of Washington, too. A lot of dense haze is sitting out there and dense smoke, too, due to wildfires up in Washington. So unhealthy air quality at times as we move our way into today. Notice out towards areas of the gorge now we're in the moderate category, but we could see that dropping as more smoke fills in today through the afternoon. Down in southern Oregon near the Klamath Basin, the Rogue Valley, again, and across the southern border there, we are seeing unhealthy air quality at this point. So we will see some thick smoke and surface smoke likely sitting through the afternoon today. Up in Portland, we're seeing mainly good air quality and will likely stay that way too. We have our surface winds coming in from the north, so not expecting to stack up much surface smoke just because a lot of these fires are well to the east of us and not really near Portland. Take a look at our view here from the KOIN Tower cameras in Portland. It's a nice sunrise now. You can see that high-level haze in place. Out to the Dalles now, that sun is starting to rise through a thick layer of smoke and haze. So you can really see that glowing red orb as it rises out there. It's a nice view, but we are seeing very dense smoke out in that region. Here's our satellite and radar. I want to point out a big change to our weather pattern here. We've still been stuck under this ridge of high pressure. It's centered right over Nevada. It's pushed in warm summer temperatures for our afternoon. It's also driven up lots of haze. Notice this wind direction bringing in haze and smoke from the wildfires in Northern California. Also a number of fires burning still in southern Oregon. So we're driving up that haze into Portland and across the southern parts of the state. But we do have this trough of low pressure that's offshore. It's churning away and it's going to drop into our region as we head into Thursday night and also Friday. So we can expect cooler temperatures that will likely linger into the weekend, but also now a chance for some widespread light rain as we head our way into Friday. So here's a look at our rainfall futurecast. We've got a cold front that'll swing in here as we head into Friday morning. So at this point, there is a chance for light rain showers. Timing wise, looks to be early in the morning on Friday. Models are showing very light rain, likely around 0.05 of an inch. So really not much. It is hard to get a lot of rain in our summer months, but we are expecting this system to bring widespread light showers, heavier showers out towards the coast. But in Portland, I do think we could see some wet roadways to kick off our Friday morning. By the afternoon and evening, we do dry out. The weekend also looks pretty dry, but it is nice to see that round of light rain here in the forecast as we head into our Friday. Again, high-level smoke will be an issue today. We'll keep it hazy in Portland. Air quality expected to stay in the good to moderate category. Not too many impacts of surface smoke here in Portland, but down through Eugene, southern Oregon, again, will still be under thick surface smoke and also high-level haze. Notice how it just keeps driving up the valley here as we head into our evening. Some thicker haze expected out in southern Oregon. And as we head into Thursday, we'll likely still see some haze, but as soon as that system arrives Thursday night and a Friday morning, we really drive out a lot of the smoke and haze. So we will see some improvements to our skies across the western sides of the state here as we head into our Friday and beyond. Quick look at our forecast today for the coast. Upper 60s. We'll still see a pleasant day. The morning is starting out a little misty and foggy across the coastline there. We'll see a few breezy moments too, but temperatures today in the upper 60s and not bad. A pleasant day out there. Low 90s today in Portland and around the valley. Still some heat today. We'll see patchy haze and some areas of denser smoke down through Eugene. On the east sides, a chance for thunderstorms still out in eastern Oregon. Temperatures also in the 90s. There's a heat advisory out to the gorge too, where we could still see triple digits near the Dalles today. Mid 90s out towards Hood River. And again, very dense smoke expected through the Dalles and eastward into Pendleton and southeastern Washington. Here's your 7-day forecast. So one more day of this hot and hazy weather here. Then we start to cool down mid 80s on Thursday.